Hello guys, Dr. Neva, how are you doing? I just want to take a minute to discuss with you putting together your CV for an international company and also looking at things that international employers are looking at when they look at your CV or your resume. What do I mean? It's a bit shocking sometimes when I look at an individual resume from an international country and the first thing they have on it, other than their name, their address, their nationality. At first I thought, why would you put that on your CV? But in certain countries, they will not hire you if they don't know what country you are from. So they want to know. Another thing that you might eliminate to put in the United States that another country might look at, it's, are you single, divorced, or married? Now, what does that have to do with a job? Well, sadly, or maybe a good thing, I'm not too sure, depends on how you take it, but there's some international employers are looking to know if they're hiring someone who is single or married or divorced. They want to know. So they want to know if you're single, married, divorced. They want to know your nationality, and they want to know your age. Your age is something that, to me, coming from the United States, it shouldn't be on your resume, but on some CVs, international employers want to know your age. In the United States, the laws protect employees or applicants from putting these information on their CVs. There are laws in place. However, in other countries, they want to know all these questions because in certain countries, they will not hire you if you are 55 and older, because 55 is the cutoff age, and that's considered retirement age. And unfortunately, sometimes they're hurting themselves because, I do believe age also brings experience, but they also believe that that person might not be fit to do the job, right? I've also noticed if you send a CV to an international company and it's 1 to 2 pages, they find that you don't have experience. They like to see 3, 4, 5, 6 pages because that means you have experience, and they look at that. Can you imagine that? In the US, they just want you to put your resume together, and it's just like 1 to 2 pages. And 1 to 2 pages should be able to sell you. Yes? Another that I've seen on your resume for international employers, another that they're looking at is also your educational background. Well, you might think everyone look at that, but if you started your bachelor's with 1 degree and then your master's in another degree and then you have another degree, they might think you're all over the place. They may not view it as having you're multi-talented or you have a diverse background. That might be a strike as a negative. So guys, before you send out that resume to an international employers, take your time and see exactly, other than the content of your experience, what else do they need? What else do they look at in your CV to land you that job? All right, guys, just in the comment below, state something. Maybe there's some things that I have not mentioned and what's your feedback? What's your comment? Let me know. I'll really appreciate it. All right, guys, bye-bye.